YouTube? Cheap Survival coming back at you again with another video. Today I got my first unboxing from this guy. Me. Let's break her open. Move the. Okay, back. You can open this with my Kershaw. Let's get to it. This is just showing off my awful cutting skills. Properly put away the blade. See what we got. Just filler. I think so. Yep, that's just filler. First of all, whoa. Brass nuts. That is sweet, dude. Oh, that's wicked. I've actually always wanted to get a pair of one of these. That is cool. And then the Mora. Sweet. I have always wanted one of these. Ever since I started getting into knife collecting. Just never got around to getting one. Bell clip. Pretty sharp blade. Awesome. Awesome. Well, just as I said, that is awesome. That's what he did. Wow, dude, that is awesome. If you don't know who this guy is, nope, go check him out. Yeah, I did not expect these. Wow, that's cool. Things are sweet. And the Mora, also sweet. Awesome. Yep. It's been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Over and out.